One field that you might wish to know a little bit more about searching is in the name field of the lessons. Did you already enter a lesson? Is it a new one? You don't want to put the same lesson in multiple times. That would reduce the efficacy of your recording. So if I'm not sure, I can come to the standard filter and go to lesson name and scroll down to like, and then put percent signs around the value that I want to search for, which in this case is rational operations. Those percent signs are wildcards that will search for a name that has rational operations in the name anywhere. And then I'll hit OK, and I see that I've got one record that has rational operations. I can clear this, and additionally, I could start a new record and start typing rational operations. And if I see something come up that matches the name I was about to enter, then I know it's already in. I could start typing this and see if there's something else that starts to suggest perhaps this is a variation on that name, not the same lesson. If the suggest stops, the auto suggest no longer is offering any options, then this is a new lesson.